take it out. You can see I already opened the box. And it is my diffuser, Rear Diffuser. It came with screws, little mesh grill. This, as you can see, more screws. Let's get to it. First, remove the tab on the passenger side of the car. Then remove the 3 screws using a Torx 20. Use a trim tool to get in between the tabs and pop out the diffuser if you have one. Here you can see I don't have one, so I'm using a flathead. But if you use the flathead, be very careful. Next, gently pull the diffuser off. Unfortunately, the diffuser did not come with pre-drilled holes, so I guess I'll just have to drill them myself. I'm going to have to drill here, here, and here. And if I want to install the mesh, I'm going to have to drill a few more holes. And now it's time to install the diffuser. As you can see, the diffuser won't go on due to the fact of the muffler having dual tips. It's not able to fit inside of the diffuser. It keeps hitting on it. So I actually wasn't able to put the diffuser on. Here's a shot of the right side of the diffuser installed. Looks pretty good to me. Can't wait till I get my muffler so I can run my dual exhaust with the quad tips. Anyway guys, I'm going to close out the video here. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and make sure you comment. Let me know what you think about the new diffuser, even though you really can't see the completed product. But in the next video, it will be installed along with my quad tip exhaust. Thanks for watching again.